Hello and welcome to Design by Geeks. We hope you'll go batty for this vampire bat gift box design. This is great for Halloween. You can put Halloween candy in there. I'm going to be showing you how to make this SVG design from Rissa Rocks It. A link to buy the file is in the video description. You're going to start by cutting all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There's the box, you have two wings, and you have the little face. After you cut out all your pieces, the first thing you're going to do is pre-fold your box along each of the score lines. After pre-folding your box, you're going to apply glue on this side tab and then bend it around. And you just want to hold that in place until the glue sets. Next, you're going to take your two wings and you're going to apply glue right at the ends, and then you're going to affix those behind the bat body on the front of the box. And you can just eyeball it to try and get it as even as you can. After you do that, you're going to glue on the eyes and mouth onto the front of the box. Next, you're going to apply glue to these angled tabs here on the sides. So if you can see, there's these pointed parts at the left and right. You're going to apply glue to each of the tabs. And then you're going to bend the tabs inward till they meet kind of at a point. And then you're going to press the front and back of your bat body to those glued tabs. Then once the glue has dried, you can go ahead and fill your box, and then you're going to close down the bottom flaps and shut the lid. And there you go, you're all set for Halloween. Thanks so much for watching.